Today, we're going to be learning about math partners and the partners of the number 8. What are math partners? Math partners are the different pairs of numbers that can be put together to create another number. These partners are hiding inside other numbers. But don't worry, we're going to show you how to find them. Let me break it down for you so it makes sense. Let's use dots to represent our numbers. To find partners, we simply split up the dots. We're going to use a line. So here we would have 1 dot on the left and 4 dots on the right. That pair of numbers is partners, 1 and 4. To make sure we don't miss a number, we simply move our line over 1 dot at a time to make sure we find all the partners. Let's get started with the number 8. Let's start out with our 8 dots. The number 8 is going to have 7 sets of partners. So let's go ahead and split those dots, and we're going to start with 1 dot on the left. 1 dot on the left means our first partner is going to be the number 1. To the right of our line, we now have 7 dots. So our second partner is going to be the number 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. There's our first set of partners. Let's slide that line over 1 dot to get our next set of partners. Our first partner is the number of dots on the left of our line, which is the number 2. To the right of our line, we have 6 dots remaining. This means our second partner is the number 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Let's slide that line over 1 more dot to get our third set of partners. Let's count the dots to the left of our line, and we have 3 dots. That means our first partner is going to be the number 3. To the right of our line, we have 5 dots left, so this means our second partner is going to be the number 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's slide that line over once again to the right, 1 more dot, to get our next set of partners. To the left of our line, we now have 4 dots. So our first partner is the number 4. To the right of our line, we also have 4 dots. So our second partner is the number 4 once again. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's move on to our next set of partners by sliding that line over to the right 1 more dot. Now, how many dots are on the left of our line? Can you tell me? That's right, we've got 5 dots on the left of our line. So our first partner is the number 5. How many dots do you see on the right of our line? You got it, there's 3 dots on the right. So our second partner is the number 3. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's go ahead and slide that dot over 1 more time. And let's count those dots to the left of our line to get our next partner. There's 6 dots on the left, so our first partner is the number 6. To the right of our line, we have just 2 dots, so our second partner is the number 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. One more set of partners, so we're going to need to slide that line over 1 more dot to the right. Our first partner this time is going to be the number of dots on the left of our line. Can you count how many dots? That's right, we've got 7 dots. So our first partner is the number 7. To the right of our line, we have just 1 dot. So our second partner is the number 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8. There you have it, all of our partners for the number 8. Let's do a quick review. We have 1 and 7, 2 and 6, 3 and 5, 4 and 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2, and finally 7 and 1. There you have it, all the partners for the number 8. Thanks so much for joining us.